You may go home now. No, 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 no. Let's send inside. And he will come to the building 70. We in the next lift there. It's a nice decent crowd. I will see the previous resident when he comes out of this building and exit of his house, and the lift is now here. Yeah. Oh no. I guess this means the door, locked door. Let's go up to the 5th floor. Well, this means I don't have to change my voice to scary voice. Now I will be Bill Brian for all of my entire life when I film lifts. Well. Why are you looking? What was that? Well, it was nothing to get my voice changed to scary voice instead of Brian. It was nothing for me. Calling.